guys, it's me, it's a Darn Bullet once again, and today I'm in my house. I'm just gonna go turn this radio off. How the fuck do I do it? There we go. So, sorry about that. Today, you could probably have guessed this by the title. I'm showing off my remote control cars. I've got 2, 4, 6 in plan, but one of them I'm not going to be using, so 5. And I'm being joined by the Golden Bullet. She's right there. So we've got a rather nice selection.
No.
And basically, just driving them. We will be using my iPad for some areas as well.
Can't drive that one.
Yeah, I've already said that. And I'm going to show you them all in order of size, so they do get bigger. Let's get to this. Hey look, it's me guys! So, as you can see, I am still using my phone. Down there's my iPad, we'll be using that at some point. We will be using my phone for point of view camera, so we're going to put this on the cars, which is kind of risky. Maybe ending up going outside. We're not sure yet. So the first one we've got is this red Mini. The remote for that is also very small, but that's that. That's one of the 2 smallest we've got, because we've got 2 minis. Came in a pack of 2. I got it from my mum. My brother had the exact same. One that I bought myself. All the rest I bought myself actually. The LaFerrari. It's a new bright edition. The remote for that is also very small. It's that one right there. Then we've got Bugatti. The remote for that is that it actually says Bugatti on it. And are we missing a remote? This is our Hummer. Now this is the one that we can't use because can't find the battery charger, so it's useless. And where's the remote for this one? Ah, it's on it. And finally, the ultimate. We've got a Ford Raptor. Now this is going to be fun to use. It's absolutely massive. And the remote for that is also quite big. So we're using all but the Hummer today. So we'll be right back. Hey guys, it's me, it's a Darn Bullet once again, and today I'm in my house. I'm just gonna go turn this radio off. How the fuck do I do it? There we go. So, sorry about that. Today, you could probably have guessed this by the title. I'm showing off my remote control cars. I've got 2, 4, 6 in plan, but one of them I'm not going to be using, so 5. And I'm being joined by the Golden Bullet. She's right there. So we've got a rather nice selection.
No.
And basically, just driving them. We will be using my iPad for some areas as well.
Can't drive that one.
Yeah, I've already said that. And I'm going to show you them all in order of size, so they do get bigger. Let's get to this. Did you just stop recording?
Yeah. Well,
When? Let's put file from this movie. Did you do a time lapse? You did a time lapse? You can aim at me now, please.
Yeah, it's in focus.
So, we've got our selection of cars ready. We are outside. Our phone is on front of the cars, so I'll make sure I do put some of that in, some of this in, cut some of them. So the first one we've got is our red Mini.
Oh, I forgot about that one.
I didn't click any of them, it just went, wasn't it?
That
Shit! Oh,
So we're going to be using the camera on our car now because the iPad camera doesn't seem to be working. If I ever get a drone, I'll redo this so that the drone's overhead as well. So we're currently on the red Mini. We're going to take it underneath this car. I'm not sure where it is. Just like that. That's what's under that car. Now we're gonna switch our camera onto the black Mini. Be right back. So now you're in the point of view of the black Mini. We're just gonna turn this one on. Find the switch, Craig. Right there. This one's going to be going slower because it's more dead. Because I've used this one more. Way faster. Once again, take it under the car. So yeah, this one goes really fast. So, this is the black Mini. It goes faster than the red Mini for some reason, but in my room the red Mini's wheels were spinning faster than the black Minis. So we're just going to head up to do our last Here we are. So the next one is going to be a surprise until we put you on. So, we will be right back. Okay, so this one's going to go really fast. We have put you on the LaFerrari. So yeah. Told you it was going to go really fast, didn't I?
I don't think your Raptor will fit under it. It's really big.
Yeah, I'll take it under the caravan. So the one car we can't take underneath our car, of course, is the big Raptor. We're going to take that under here instead. So we're going to change you into our Bugatti now. Not sure how much faster that's going to be. Not going to be faster at all. So we'll be right back. So now we are on the Raptor. I'm actually just kneeling up now, it's that high off the ground. Look, let's just show you how high it is from the bonnet to the floor. It is quite high up off the ground. So we can do a lot more with this car. Hopefully the phone don't fall off at any point.
We don't want it to break, do we, Craig?
It's already broken there.
By somebody.
Courtney. So let's go.
Let's well.
It's time for a bit of of off-roading. We're not quite sure how noisy this is for those guys. Now it's time for the actual road test. My phone didn't break. It just flew off the car, and it's perfectly fine. Just a few more scratches on the front. That's all, and it's still recording. Probably shouldn't try that again.
No, we shouldn't.
I'm not going to drive over the drain either. That feels a bit risky.
Definitely not.
So what just happened? I was going forwards, I went back a bit too fast, and the phone just flew off. So we're now going to go over a drain slowly, because I just hope my phone don't fall down it. Then maybe I should go a bit faster. We made it over the drain. I think that's next door, isn't it?
No.
No. There's obviously some risk with driving on roads, like for example, drains and cars. Just crashed into a curb. Now it's time for some real off-roading. We are going onto someone's grass. So we have one problem, we can't drive this under anything, it can't fit under the caravan. So now I think we should show you guys our view on what we've just been doing driving these cars. What do you think about that? So we will be right back. This is one car I've got fears of. It may die on us today. The Bugatti. See, we've got the Bugatti remote. Okay, it's faster than we thought. Okay, it's faster than we thought. grass.
No. No, you're gonna hit the steps.
Nope. Obviously now we can do a lot more with this one because it can go off-road, it can go on-road, I mean actual on-road without braking.
Okay.
So, we'll be right back. So now we are on the
Raptor.
the Raptor. I'm actually just kneeling up now, it's that high off the ground. Look, let's just show you how high it is from the bonnet to the floor. It is quite high up off the ground. So we can do a lot more with this car. Hopefully the phone don't fall off at any point.
We don't want to break,
So,
do we, Crew?
it's already broken there,
By somebody.
Courtney. So let's go.
That's well.
It's time for a bit of off-roading. We're not quite sure how noisy this is for those guys. Now it's time for the actual road test. My phone didn't break. It just flew off the car, and it's perfectly fine. Just a few more scratches on the front. That's all, and it's still recording. Probably shouldn't try that again.
No, we shouldn't.
I'm not going to drive over the drain either. That feels a bit risky. So what just happened? I was going forwards, I went back a bit too fast and the phone just flew off, so we're now going to go over a drain slowly because I just hope my phone don't fall down it. Then maybe I should go a bit faster. We made it over the drain. I think that's next door now.
No.
No. There's obviously some risk with driving on roads, like for example, drains and cars. Just crashed into a curb. Now it's time for some real off-roading. We are going onto someone's grass. So we have one problem, we can't drive this under anything, it can't fit under the caravan. So now I think we should show you guys our view on what we've just been doing driving these cars. What do you think about that? So we will be right back. So you might want to listen. So we are now going to give you guys an overview on what each of these cars have been doing. We've just shown you what the point of view of the front of the car was like, but you guys didn't really get a picture of what the overview of the car was like. So, follow the car. It's so small on the camera, it's unbelievable. And then we take it under the car. You can still see it in the camera, can't you?
Yeah. He's out.
And then we changed our cars over, which is when we kept covering the screen. Oops.
He's not going as fast as he used to. That one did.
Now it's time to go into the car. Not sure if the range on this is going to make it all the way through to the end of the car. And it did!
Nope.
And then we changed again. My hands are beginning to get really cold. How are yours feeling?
Cold.
Seeing as I've been driving these for this entire video. Oops. Now time to go through the car. This is the bit where I've got to be careful with this one, because as you can see the antenna is sticking up.
And he's out.
And we're out and we crash into the floor. Perfect parking. And then we switched again to this, which is actually bigger than the Ferrari. And as you can see, this one's actually got lights on the front.
He's out.
There we go, crash into them though. And then of course, we switched into the Ford and had a bit more fun with that. So we're going to show you the overview of that now. Look how wet these wheels are from the grass.
Oh,
Can you turn it on? My hands will get muddy. There we go.
Let's go.
So we've got a cleaner inside right now, so we are just trying to kill time right now. So,
She's there for 2 hours.
yeah, I know.
Hey!
I did it! That's what made the camera fly off. So then we went and did a bit of off-roading. Look at the speed of it though. With a remote control car, this can do a lot of stuff. Then we took it onto the road. But I'm surprised I did that slowly that time. And that's when the camera flew off. So let's just show you where the camera was put. The camera on all these cars was put on the front windows. Anyway, let's go off-roading again. Wait, we went over the drain at this point, didn't we?
Yeah.
So let's do that again.
The time you don't have to go so slow.
This thing is quite hard to turn around. You might want to move out of the way of the drain again. This time I'm going to go over with one wheel. I didn't do this on the point of view camera. I did this slowly on the point of view camera, but I don't need to now.
Suspension! Hey Gray, take it off the curb!
I don't want to. I'm going to have to.
Whoa!
This can do all sorts of shit.
But it can't go into the van.
But it can't go under the van. Look. It'll crash into the van. That's me going right up and it doesn't work. I've got another thing to do with this. So point the camera back at me. We'll be right back in just 2 minutes. Wait, we've got to cover the camera.
Oh.
Did you forget? Come. Take all these cars inside now. Well, don't. Actually. I'll go around and unlock the gate and then we put them inside the gate. You stay out with them. Because I don't trust anyone with my iPad in Britain.
Craig!
Did we turn him off?
No,
Did that run you over?
no.
Did I do anything with it?
You moved it forward and backwards a bit.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
So you need to bring all these cars. You want to know something? I didn't really bring my guns. They're down there. I could do a video with them as well today, couldn't I? As part of this. Let's go to the decking quickly. She's in the middle room right now.
Middle.
The middle room.
Oh. Okay. Close her up.
Lock her up.
Lock her up.
Come to the decking.
As we say, lock her up. Oh. Ah.
Bag's in my way. But my bow's there and everything. The whole set. So that's why I didn't get rid of these bullets. Okay, stop recording. Cover the camera.
No, I left it on record.
Okay. Bring it up. So she left it on record, as it turns out. 8 minutes. We're going to do the ultimate challenge with our Raptor. We're going to fly it off our decking. And obviously we've just been talking about guns. You probably got that entire conversation. There we go, done. Now you can cover it. And then turn it, take the recorder. Follow the car. You can follow it. How to ultimate curb drive.
Good
Step
one.
1. get a Ford Raptor. Step 2, get a drop curb and a bigger curb. Step 3, do this. Like a beast. You can move now. Be careful of trees. That could happen. But with the Ford Raptor, it just carries on going. There, we made that. Now, what happens if we make it the ultimate of ultimates? Come with me.
Okay, I can just.
What?
I can just fold this. I can just fold the camera.
Let's do this. Don't go too fast. Unless you're a trained professional like me.
This is good, Craig. I can see you. I can see very close.
Let's keep going. Boom.
Oh,
There we go. I mean business now. You see, Nerf guns. We've got 2 Nerf guns, small one and a rather big one, fully loaded, versus 2 bottles. This is the bottle that I use for my bottle flip challenge. Don't like him, it took too long. So these guns are really powerful. Got told not to fire them at people, but you know, I then said I threw them in the bin. Because that's what they're made for, right? So, as you can see, I've got a scope on here now. So I'm going to be looking through the scope and aiming at the 2 bottles. The gun that does it in less goes, this holds 10, this holds 6. So the gun that does it in less bullets
Wins.
both of them. So let's do this. They're both going to have the scope on as well. And I don't mean just hit them, I mean knock them over. Is that one going behind it? No, it's not.
It's on the floor.
As you can see, it's not my aiming that's a problem. So I'm all out. That should be 10. Let's reload. If you look, I've got 2 full boxes of ammo, so I don't know why I'm going around collecting. So that's 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yeah.
My hands are like ice.
My hands are cold. I've been driving cars for the last half an hour. And I still haven't knocked one over. I need to do that to check which way I need to put the ammo in. So this is the Nerf Modulus Battle Scout, if you wanted this gun. And this has got 1 full upgrade of those. I also got an extended ammo clip, but we lost half of that, so. Am I out? Yes! So it took 20 bullets, I'm empty again, to knock one over. So I know it has the power to knock the bottle over. Feels like ages since I did the bottle flip challenge. I mean, now look at the room.
That's why I don't eat in there, because it's really cold in that room.
No, it's not cold. It's full. Look. So now, place your predictions in the comment section below. Winner gets to have a video with me. Or whoever gets the closest. I think there's a way to view when they commented throughout the video.
Mm.
But yeah.
Last bottle to knock over, Craig.
So how many bullets altogether do you think I'm going to do this in? It's got to be over 20. If they say 21, that'd be jokes.
21.
So we'll give you about 30 seconds. So, I think that was roughly 30 seconds. Hopefully you took a guess. Missed. You want to just go in the hedge? I think one just went in the hedge. Oh well, I've got boxes on.
Ah.
So if you guessed 30 bullets, you were correct.
I know there's definitely one in the head.
Yeah, there's definitely one in the hedge somewhere. Found it. It's right here. Bring the camera. That's got to be worth some points. Come on. It's right there. Look at that. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just make sure I got them all.
Next gun.
So now it's this is going to be classed as racist, but it's white versus green. So I've got white bullets in my big gun and green bullets in my not so big gun. And I'm not sure what the name of this one is. It's the Nerf N Strike. You know what? I don't need the scope. So this is supposed to be harder because this one isn't as powerful. See, it's not as powerful. I'm out, so that was 6. So do place your bets on how many bullets this one's going to take as well. Just make sure that in the comment section you say which one. So now I'm putting on my scope. Yeah.
Oh.
Now I'm just going to reload this. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So far, it's took 6, and I still haven't taken down the
Neither.
first bottle. On my other gun, it took 20, so maybe this will work. And if you look over there, that's where we decided to park the Raptor. The others are down the side of the house. So I'm going to try this with the scope now. Where the hell did I go? It's right next to me. It's more powerful with the scope. That one went down the back.
Yep.
Oops. So that's 12. And I still haven't taken down the first gun. The first gun. First bottle. They went flying though. And so did my scope, so no need for a scope now. One down, where is it? Down the back of here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Green.
Why can't be a nice and warm day instead of a bloody cold one?
Because it's winter.
What? That was...
So that was 13 bullets to take down the first one, and the bullet is gone here.
Next bottle.
So now that's 13. I've got 17 left to get this one down. Some of you are probably going to be saying, oh, that's not hard to do. Here you go, have a go.
Yeah, thanks.
I was talking to the audience.
Oh, that was so close. Yeah, I know about it.
So that was 6, so 13 plus 6 is 19. So we've gone 19 shots, and we took 1 down.
Don't forget that bullet over there.
Yeah. If you get anything close to 19, it's possible. I'm going to give you a bit of leeway as well. A leeway of 2. So if you were 2 out, you still get to do a video with me. A collab. If you have a YouTube video, that is. YouTube channel. Oops. That's 21. 22. Did that dent the bottle? No. I thought that dented the bottle, it sounded like it. And the other bullet is resting here, the bullet that just went behind, so. Miss that one completely. 25. 26. That's not in the head.
Yeah.
So 26. We've got 4 more bullets to go. And then the other one wins. And then obviously I'm going to do a second course, which is harder. Well, I'm going to do it off the second.
We're not doing that one today, are we?
Yes.
Oh, my hands are cold.
Same. It's one of those things you've got to realise.
This is not going to take 2 hours.
No, it's not going to take 2 hours.
That's how long she's here for.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not staying after 2 hours. I'm just going to do that one down there and then that's it. So just so that you guys know, every week, every Thursday, I'm going to do an Animal Jam video. So yeah, so if you watched my last video. 27, 28, 29. That one hit me. 30 and we haven't done it. How many does it take? So that's... How many is that? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32 that took. I should guess that 6 plus 6 is 12, so obviously 32. Fucking retard. So 32 so far. Also, I may have forgotten to say this, but you are only allowed 1 guess.
Oh,
There
yeah.
we go. So 32, 33, 34, 35 it took to knock both over. So now we're going to make it even harder and we're going to start off with the green bullets. We're going to put these on the edge of the decking. And the idea is to knock them over. Put your sleeve over your hand.
No, I can't. I'm recording as well. And I can't, my sleeves ain't that big.
Oh! That was a
One.
decent shot. So, once again, guess how many bullets this is going to take. So far that's one and I've already got one down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that took 6 bullets so far and we've got one down. Let's just load up. No. Hold it over. So yeah, for those of you wondering, we do have a cleaner in for 2 hours. This video is probably not going to be 2 hours long, but we still have to add intros and stuff. So.
Yeah. It's come up to 15 minutes.
Just for this gun one.
Yeah.
There we go. So 7 bullets.
7 bullets.
If you guess 7 bullets, then you'll be correct. I don't know anybody that would have guessed that short, judging by the last attempt. So now it's time for the big guns. And I literally mean big guns. Putting the scope back on this is quite difficult.
Oh, God.
I know other YouTubers that do stuff with Nerf guns. 20 likes on this video, and I will paint both guns. 20 likes.
Let's see how many bullets this will take.
I need my clip. So will this take less than or more than one? You can't get less. Will this take one or more than one to knock it down? So once again, guess.
21.
I'm missing an awful lot. So that's 10. I'm going to take the scope off, see if it's easier without the scope. Because it seems to be harder with the scope. Oops. I'm collecting these guns, bullets. I was going to see guns for a minute then. I'm missing a bullet, where is it? Does anybody know?
No.
White bullet.
Oh, it's under the table. On the other mat. Yes, decided to hide from you, girl.
No raging in the comments saying that I'm holding this gun wrong. I know how to hold a gun.
There you go.
There we go. Took 20 to knock down the first one again.
Oh.
So this is obviously lost on this one.
Yeah.
And did you lose on the last one as well? No.
No.
It won 30 to 35, didn't it?
Yeah.
So still the guesses have opened until the end of this, and I think I knocked this guy off. This guy off.
No, that was already knocked
He's now
out.
standing up. I know there's one under this table somewhere as well. Nope, maybe there is. So now... how
Oh,
many?
they're back.
They're back.
Yeah.
I wonder if they've noticed that I've actually just got my guns out.
I'm just casually sitting on a trampoline.
Yeah, well that's what it looks like.
No, I'm just making a cup of tea. Carry on, ain't gonna know.
Don't want him to know.
What's it there? What?
I loaded it the wrong way. Nothing more embarrassing than...
In the video, the AstroTurf was very light green. Oh,
I'm doing this less successfully than when I did the bottle flip. There we
no.
go. So that's 23 bullets. So that's all for this video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, squash that like button like it's a bug. 20 likes, and I will paint my guns and maybe my Raptor. If you haven't already, or this happens to be the first video you've seen by me, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to the Golden Bullet. Link in the description below. Yeah, so bye.
Bye.